Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove stroke from shape in Illustrator. Step 1. See this already inserted to this shape. Click the shape and click again shape and click the stroke close. See this, remove the stroke from shape. And step 2, click again shape, right click, hold click and right click star or select your favorite shape. Okay, and close stroke, change color, press enter, then hold shift. See this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Again